higher. This is the Plong Canal. They've built up this cement dike. Are you okay? Or
yeah, mud dike.
Mud dike. And then over on this side. This is that going towards the city?
That's going towards the city.
So the water's moving, and they're hoping it won't come over. And that's where we're at. It's not made any change, and everybody's just on a kind of wait and see. And then this is now at the Tesco Lotus. Okay, go. Are you not going to go through?
You want me to go through?
Oh, I don't know if you should, but
I want to go through.
I don't know how deep it is.
The water's so high. I know.
But oh, it's pretty deep.
Oh, Mom.
I don't know. It's up to you, babe.
Yeah, I can. Let's do it. Yeah.
Look at how deep that takes us. Down the Plong.
Now look at the fish jumping.
I can't see anything.
So here's like people's houses where the water's almost into their homes. People trying to clear out debris to help that water flow down. Oh, this is a good video. This is just coming back up to the turn by Tesco Lotus. And most of these people are out here just kind of surveying and fishing. Not sure what's going to happen. But now as you make the turn again down Changwatana, it's dry. So the makeshift dike that they built is obviously holding for now. So now we're driving down Samaki Road and no water. There's no water around Nichada. We've been down towards Pakret and the major Hollywood Mall part. No water. Got some people here sandbagging. Just in case, everybody's prepared.